Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Often a glass stopper gets stuck in the neck of glass bottle containing NaOH solution. This is due to, right? You can see that if you have a reagent bottle which is made up of glass, which contain what now here? It contains what? NaOH. And here there will be cap will be there, right? Right, stopper we call it as stopper will be there. You see that after if you leave it for like 2 months 3 months 2 months 3 months, if you give a gap, if you don't perform any lab experiments, you see that as soon as you come to the lab, you see that here it has got very like stuck. We can't remove easily. Why that happens, they have asked. So that was the question here, right? So here they have given options A, B, C, D. You have to read everything, then only you can easily, you will get the actual chemistry. A, the presence of dull particle in between, so that might be the case, but here that is not the case, so A option is wrong. None of these, this is D option. Let us read B and C. B is the formation of solid silicate in between by the reaction of SiO2 of glass with NaOH. And C is glass containing a boron compound which forms a precipitate with the NaOH solution. So the correct option is this B option. Why this is the correct option? Let me talk about this now. So this glass is made up of what? SiO2, silicon dioxide, and in the glass we have added what? NaOH. What we have added? NaOH base. So this base react with this, because this SiO2 is what? It is what? It is acidic in nature, whereas this is what? Basic in nature. Right, compared to this it will be less basic. Less basic means what? It act as acid here and this act as base, right? Because I'm comparing SiO2 with NaOH, right? So NaOH, if I compare, it is less basic. Instead of calling less basic, I'll call it as acidic. So it forms a reaction like this: Na2SiO3, sodium silicate we call it as. This is what? Sodium silicate. Since it forms the sodium silicate, it will stuck there only, right? So here two sodium are there, here one sodium. Let me balance it here, 2. So here 2 means here hydrogen is not there, so let me draw H2O. So 2 hydrogens are there. Oxygen here 3 plus 1 4 oxygen, here 2 plus 2 4 oxygen. So this is the balanced reaction. So here the glass that is containing SiO2 reacts with NaOH base, forms what? Sodium silicate, because of which it gets stuck. So the option is B, the formation of solid silicate in between by the reaction of SiO2 and SiO2 of glass with NaOH, right? Thank you.